Today we are going to draw a simple house. I start with the roof and a simple chimney. Next, I draw the windows and of course the door. Each of you will be able to draw this little house without any problem. Look how easily I draw the windows. It's just a few lines and they are done. Next to the house, I added a small fence and a big tree. I love trees. I color the whole house red, but you can color it however you like. I color the windows yellow, so it looks like you can see the cozy interior of the house. I decided to paint the roof green. It looks wonderful. Subscribe and I will definitely draw another one. See you!